U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan recently denied a request from a media coalition seeking to reveal additional details from a special counsel's immunity filing in the federal case against former President Donald Trump. The filing, led by special counsel Jack Smith, is aimed at persuading the court that Trump's actions concerning the 2020 election subversion were personal and not tied to his official duties as president, thereby justifying the charges against him. The press coalition argued for only minimal redactions, emphasizing the public's right to access court records under the First Amendment. However, Chutkan ruled that the current regulations comply with both common law and First Amendment protections. It seems like the judge is being cautious about what details can be made public. Redactions in such cases are tricky because they involve balancing transparency with legal sensitivity. The press pushing for access makes sense, but so does the judge's decision to maintain some confidentiality. It's a delicate situation. As the Republican nominee for the 2024 presidential race, Trump is facing 4 felony charges in Washington, D.C., linked to his alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election results, which ultimately led to the January 6, 2021 Capitol riot. Supporters of Trump stormed the Capitol in a bid to disrupt Congress from certifying Joe Biden's win. Trump has consistently denied any wrongdoing, entering a not guilty plea to all the charges, while maintaining that the case is politically motivated. It's unsurprising that Trump continues to deny the allegations. His defense has been consistent, particularly the claim that it's all a political attack. Whether it's true or not, the fact that he's running for president again adds even more tension to the situation. The Capitol riot is still a raw memory for many people, so this case will undoubtedly stir emotions as it progresses. After the U.S. Supreme Court's July 2023 decision, which affirmed that former presidents have immunity for official acts but not personal ones, Smith amended Trump's indictment. The grand jury issued a new indictment, refining some of the allegations but preserving the 4 original charges. These charges include conspiracy to defraud the U.S., conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding, obstruction of an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights. The Supreme Court's decision clarifies a significant point. There's a difference between what a president does officially and what they do personally. It's interesting to see how Smith updated the indictment to align with that. Even though some details were removed, the core charges remain, which suggests that the prosecution believes they have a strong case. Trump's legal team has a deadline of November 7, 2 days after the 2024 presidential election, to respond formally to Smith's claims about whether Trump's actions were personal or official. So far, neither Trump's communications director nor the Justice Department has commented on the most recent developments in the case. Having the response deadline right after the election is significant. It's a tight window for Trump's legal team, especially with the added pressure of the election. Not hearing from either side yet is also curious. It might be that they're being strategic with their silence, or they're waiting to see how things unfold before making any public statements. Timing is everything in high-profile cases like this.